All right, let's wave those napkins in the air right now. Come on, best dressed people. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Best dressed person standing up right now. What I'd like you to do right now is point to the wild and crazy person at your table right now. We need everybody at the table to point to that wild and crazy person at their table. All right, we're about to have a celebration out here. Now, this is what's going to happen. That wild and crazy person at each table, what I need you to do is stand up in your chair right now. Let's stand up in your chair. Let's stand on the chair. All right. And what I want you to do, wild and crazy person, is when the music starts, I need that wild and person to start dancing in their chair. Let's go. Are you ready, wild and crazy person? Let's go. Everybody else clapping their hands. Let's go. Here goes napkins if you got it. I need everybody clapping their hands above their heads just like this. Somebody say ho! Say ho! Ho! Now somebody, anybody, scream! I want to see people dancing in their chairs. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, freeze. All right, we got the crazy people out the way right now. Those are the wild and crazy people. Wild and crazy people. What I want you to do right now is look around at your table and point to the best looking person at your table right now. Best looking person. All right. What I need you to do right now is that wild and crazy person, have a seat. That best looking person at each table, please rise right now. That best looking person in each chair, yes sir, I see you. Please rise. There should be one exceptionally good looking person at each table. Standing up right now. Let's give our good looking people a big round of applause right now. And good looking people, this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to look to your right. Place your right hand on the left shoulder of the person to your right now. That person whose hand you just placed on their shoulder, congratulations, they have won the centerpiece this evening. We got dessert on the way.